lovable angel. But he took the spotlight shining so bright, left me to fade away. But honey, now the turn is mine. A devil made from heaven and sent from above. Looks like Henry's got a little day, let's have some fun. We've got lots to do, little errand boy, come to me at cloud nine. To be the perfect angel, some sin must be done. You told me what to do and what to say, I couldn't escape. You've got to choose the ending of my fate. You put me astray, but not anymore. I'm in control. I have the stage, you can't turn the page. Now all eyes on me. All eyes on me. So many experiments, so many mistakes, but I'll go all the way till I'm in perfect shape. First the worst, maybe third's the charm. So close, so I cannot wait. The demon won't taint me now, 'cause you're the sacrifice he'll slay. You said I wasn't good enough to stay. You put me away. You took away my future and my fame, but now that will change. Focus on me. I'll be all that they see. I'll make them sway, no can't run away. Now all eyes on me. No, babe. You don't know what it's like to drown